What are those black tubes lines we keep seeing on the side of the road? That's a great question. And it had us wondering too. They are called pneumatic road tubes. And yes, they are actually tubes. Pneumatic road tubes are used for short-term traffic counting, vehicle classification by axle count and spacing, planning and research studies on the area in which they are placed. Some of these pneumatic road tubes are capable of collecting data by calculating vehicle gaps, intersection stop delays, stop sign delays, saturation in flow rates, spotting speed function of all vehicle classes, and even travel time when the counter is utilized in conjunction with a vehicle transmission sensor device. They are used not only by law enforcement, but many city planners, urban planners, and many other municipalities, though don't expect a speeding ticket from these tubes. They may lead to a speed trap in the area in the future. Here's how they actually work in ordinances with the U.S. Department of Transportation. Pneumatic road tube sensors send a burst of air pressure along a rubber tube when a vehicle's tires pass over the tube. The pressure pulse closes an air switch, producing an electrical signal that is transmitted to a counter or analysis software. The pneumatic road tube sensor is portable, using lead acid, gel, or other rechargeable batteries as a power source. Who would have thought that a burst of air pressure could tell us so much and help us research our own roads and community for growth and expansion? So who do we have to blame for the invention that gives such detail? Why, Bill Gates himself with help of two other friends, Paul Allen and Paul Gilbert. They created TRAFO data in the 1970s. The objective was to read raw data from the roadway traffic counter and make reports to give to the engineers. Okay, so they didn't really create the pneumatic reader itself, as that already existed from back in 1799 by William Murdoch, where he created used capsule pipelines to transmit telegrams from telegraph stations to nearby buildings. Though Bill Gates, Paul Allen and Paul Gilbert made the roadway pneumatic system and left us with much knowledge to build and safely grow our communities.